She had depression from her alopecia. Now has the same hair as a 15-year-old girl thanks to this. Globally, hair is a symbol of beauty in women. And is that for better or for worse? The hair is located in a visible area of the body, the head. That's why women spend hours and hours on hair care. However, despite all the care they give, none exempt from facing serious problems with them. One of these problems is hair loss. The worst nightmare of every woman is to have brittle hair or see that they are falling more and more when combing. When this happens, the first thing they think about is I'm going to go bald. Something that could cause this type of evil is a hormonal change, lack of vitamins, and even abuse and leave it dirty for long periods of time. Today we want to show you a home treatment that will be a blessing for your hair. Mask for hair loss. Ingredients: coconut oil 1 tablespoon, egg yolk 1 unit, mature plain 1 unit, beer 1/2 glass. Preparation and use: 1. Initially, peel the ripe banana, chop it into small pieces and puree it. Then, in the same container we pour beer, egg yolk and coconut oil. All these ingredients will mix until you get a creamy substance. 2. Now, you must apply this mask on all your hair, especially on the skull, giving gentle massages. Now, let her act in your hair for a period of about 40 minutes. Finally, wash your hair as usual with shampoo and plenty of water. This process is repeated 3 times for 3 weeks, that is once a week. The leftover we cannot keep, we must discard it.